Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some Barbi jerk pork chops, right? Let's see, I have some pork chops in this roughly 1.5 kilo of pork chops in this bowl that I've washed, and I've added some olive oil on it so that the seasoning can marinate in it quickly. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add the seasoning, my jerk season, meat season, Mrs. Dash, and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna go in with that now. Add some black pepper, a little salt. Pork must have salt. Crush some pimento seed. Add that now. I have my garlic, so I'm gonna add the garlic now. I'm gonna crush them. Garlic. And thyme. I also add my country pepper. Added my jerk seasoning. 2 tablespoons I use for this purpose. You can add a little browning, guys, just a little, give it some color. You can add half teaspoon. The sauce, the barbecue sauce, will be the last thing I'm gonna add. Right, so guys, I'm gonna cover this and allow this marinate for about 3 hours, and then I'm gonna get it ready to cook. Alright, so see you in the kitchen in the next 3 hours. Alright, you can also season up your meat overnight, yes, and let it rest until you're ready to cook it the next day. Alright, so see you in the kitchen. So guys, I'm back. I'm getting the oven ready. It's plugged in and it's turned at 350 degrees. and it's gonna be set until it is tender. Alright, so it maybe take an hour or more until the meat is tender. So I'm getting ready my dish also to put my pork chops to it and get ready for it to go in the oven. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my pork chops to the dish. So guys, let me tell you a little bit more about this. So it's gonna stay with the cover with the foil until it's tender. Then I'm gonna remove the cover and allow it to get some color, and then I'm going to add the barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna put it back and allow it to cook with the sauce, and then it's ready. Okay guys, it's a long process, but I'm here for it today. All right. Whoa. Smells good. Everything smells good, guys. Let's turn it. Has to cook some more, guys, so giving it some more time to cook, and then I'm back. All right, I'm gonna remove this, guys, and add the barbecue sauce to it. So guys, I'm coating the pork in the barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven to finish cook with the sauce. All right, so that is what I'm doing right now. I also remove the meat from the oven and flip the side. And there you have it, guys, my Barbi jerk pork chops, all done and ready, looking so yummy. I'm going to go ahead and taste it for you guys. Taste. Oh, so yummy, guys, so yummy. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. All right, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my nice Barbi jerk pork chops. Okay guys, check it out in my description, you will love it. Easy to make. All right, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you in my next video.